Ballad by Lionheart. Tips and tricks, everyday song by Helen Najar. You clicked the link, didn't mean to, but the current pulled fast. The page looked safe, the waters calm. Then the storm begun. First, steady your breath. You are not sunk yet. Now follow the compass. Step 1. Close the page. Let the screen go dark. Don't press another key. Step 2. Cut the signal. Turn off Wi-Fi. Pull the cable. Drop the seals off connection. Step 3. From another trusted deck, a phone, a spare computer, change your password. Start with your main account, then your bank's, and the market you trade on. Step 4. Run a full scan on the device that's traded. If you have antivirus, like Microsoft Defender or any other tool, open it and choose full scan. Let the engine sweep every corner, clear what they find. Step 5. Keep watch. Check your messages and coin accounts over the coming days. If gold moves that you didn't spend, call your bank right away. Want this map in your hands with even more details than what I shared here? Check out the Everyday Soul Cyber Scrolls on Discord. It's linked in the description and ready for you to keep or pass on to someone who needs it. That's your chart. Simple, solid, swift. A wrong click doesn't end the voyage. It just reminds you how precious the helm truly is. Next tide, you will see the snare before it tightens, and you will steer clear with wiser hands. Stay tuned.